Introducing Excel tables. This presentation will walk you through the basics of creating and formatting tables in Microsoft Excel, empowering you to organize and analyze data effectively. Step 1. Select your data. Identify the data. First, locate the range of cells that contain the data you want to organize. Select the cells. Click on the first cell, hold the mouse button down, and drag it to select the entire data range. Step 2. Access the table feature. Open the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the Excel window. Select the Table option. Find the Table button within the Tables group on the Insert ribbon. Step 3. Confirm the data range. Review the range. Excel will display a dialog box with a selected data range. Verify that the correct cells are included. Enable headers. If your table has column headers, check the My Table Has Headers box. This tells Excel to treat the first row as headers. Step 4. Apply a table style. Select the table. Click anywhere within the table to select it. Open the Design tab. Click on the Design tab within the Excel ribbon. Choose a style. Select from the Table Styles gallery to give your table a polished look. Step 5. Add more data. Click in the table. Click on the last row of the table to start adding new data. Type your data. Start typing in the new row, and Excel will automatically extend the table to accommodate the new data. Step 6. Leverage Excel's power. Apply formulas. Use Excel formulas to perform calculations and analyze your data. For example, use the sum function to add up a column of numbers. Format cells. Format the cells of your table to enhance readability and visual appeal. Use colors, borders, and alignment options. Key takeaways. Converting your data into an Excel table provides numerous benefits, including better organization, formatting, and ease of analysis.